Alrighty guys, here today we are going to show you my API. So here I made um, an API to get news articles. Basically, it's kind of like an API, but it didn't turn out to work as much as like an API as I thought it was going to. So this is my Python file right here. It's in the GitHub. So basically what this does is it pulls from newsapi.org all of their articles and searches through machine learning, artificial intelligence, code for AI, technology, AI websites, AI algorithms, and science. Pulls through all of those things and goes through all of them and creates a JSON file of all of that data that they have. And so I was hoping to be able to make an API that I could pull and request the same data through without having to use their servers. But turns out uh, hosting Docker kind of costs a little bit of money. And so I ended up using GitHub Pages. I actually did make a Docker file to be able to run it and everything, but just wasn't going to work. But anyway, so I made a index.html file and made this little index page. And what it does is it pulls the JSON file from the GitHub. So here's the JSON file. So it's got all of these websites, right? And their news articles and all these things. So I have all this really cool articles, and it pulls it. And let's see, let's go to my GitHub here. This is my GitHub. So we're going to go to my GitHub right here. And as you can see, this is my GitHub. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings and go to pages. Go to my page. Boop. And here is all of the data. And so 2 weeks ago, I showed off a Kotlin app that used news articles and was able to do all that stuff. And so my plan is to eventually be able to using the app scrape this website or a different one, because GitHub isn't the greatest for lots of traffic. So I was hoping to scrape this and create all these new articles and be able to eventually, automatically update this in GitHub or wherever I need to update it, so that they can get constant new articles using this Python file that I was able to make. And yeah, so this is the little thing that I made, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it to get it all working with my app. I did do some changes with the app. What's going on here? To be able to pull it and get all the information from the GitHub page, but it's currently not working. So my next 2 weeks, I'm going to try and get it to work and get it all working, because that would be really cool.